Welcome back to Limestone Fishing. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to tie a drop shot knot that you might not have ever heard before. But I think that once you learn it, you'll probably never tie a drop shot any other way. So let's get into it. And full disclosure, I don't know where this knot came from. I saw it on a TikTok video and I've been using it ever since. So you're going to take your fishing line and you're going to take your drop shot hook and you're going to feed the line down through your hook the way you want it to sit in the water. So I'm going to feed it down through the eyelet like that. And then this part here is going to be where I attach my weight. And then all you're going to do is make a loop like this, bring your hook up to where the loop meets, and you should have something that looks like this. Okay? And then all you're going to do is run your hook through that loop 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now once you get it to this point, you want to cinch it down. Ideally, you'll want to wet both sides of this, but for the purposes of this video, I'm not going to. And then you just pull it tight, just like that. And if you can see here, see if I can get the camera to focus, there's 4 cinches on each side of the eyelet of this hook, and that will keep your drop shot hook facing the right direction at all times. I've been using it this way for probably like a month and a half, and I have never had to retie a Palomar knot that started to loosen up or anything like that on me. My hook just always sits like this. You never have to adjust it. And that's all there is to it. It is the simplest and fastest drop shot knot I have ever learned how to tie, and it just works really well. If I taught you something new in this video, leave me a comment down below, drop me a like, and if you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to my channel. So until next time, thanks for watching. I'll catch you later.